Hi, welcome to another vlog. I'm moving, hence the looking like this. And it's so hot, I'm dying, which is why I look like this. And I look horrible, but you can deal with it. Do I have something in my teeth? Probably. But it's so hot, I can't wait. I'm so excited that I'm moving this weekend to a place with AC. It's like the right moment. But I'm going to show you the mess. It's all a mess. Boxes have already gone to the place. All my shoes and shit over there. It's all a mess. It's all a mess. Clothes. I tied all of these together. And then garbage bags on top of them. Over there is empty. Lamp is gone. There's still a lot to be done, but we're almost there. Almost. We're a little stressy, but it's okay. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, bye. So I currently look like this. I currently look like this because I'm doing my hair because I have to go to work, but we're also moving same day. So, but oh my god, the year went by so fast because now I feel like I'm moving back in. Like this is how the place looked when it was empty. I'm gonna show you really quickly. I still need to clean everything, but still, my god.
اول واحد واحد معنا
مخيم عم تزحف عم بقدر امسكها
مخيم اللي عند مربى
بتاع كندا السعادة
This is my sister helping. You can kind of see her sitting in the truck. Okay, welcome back. I looked like this because I was caught in the rain last night and I still haven't fixed or washed my hair. Boop. I'm also kind of eating a poke bowl that I kind of made, and I don't know why I'm talking like a robot. Anyway, I'm here to update you because I feel like I never talked in the moving process. Well, I did, but I didn't really explain what was going on. So the whole moving thing took 2 days. So the first day, the family and some friends painted the new apartment, and I was at home packing during that time, packing everything. And then that same first day, my sister and her friend were coming and picking stuff up and taking them to the new apartment, stuff that don't require a truck. So that's what happened. And then the next day it was game on. It was like the big stuff, a big truck, everything needs to be moved, we're out of there. And now I'm in the new apartment. And I don't know if I told you, but there was a vlog where I visited a place and I really didn't like it. Well, this is it. And I love it, I'm obsessed with it. Because after it was painted and fixed and whatever, I'm so happy here. It's amazing. I was desperate to find a new place and I took it for the location, basically. And because it was bigger than the old one. And after everyone painted it and the landlord made some fixes, I'm obsessed with it. I love it and I'm happy. So that's all I have to say. I'll give you a tour at some point, maybe in another vlog. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick update. I still have some like remnants of makeup under my eye and I look like shit, but I'm just here editing. Yeah, I guess I'll tell you what we're doing next. I just don't know yet. That I dug my key into the side of his. It's because I had music on while I was editing, so now all the songs are stuck in my head, and then I went into a TikTok coma. Come on, man. Come on. Huh, there we go. Okay, so now that I'm continuing editing, oh my god, I look like a lion. Good news for you if you like watching my videos. I have a shit ton of footage to go through, so you're gonna get a bunch. But now that I know what I have, I guess we're just continuing on with the regular schmegular vlogs. But there's a bunch of fun stuff, like I go to a circus at some point. Might not be in this vlog, might be in the next, but it's still fun. Okay, bye! Back to regular programming. Is that what they say? Oh my god, you can't even see me. Well, it is what it is. I had some errands to run today, so I thought I would just show you what I got. Because I'm gonna sit and look at it anyway. I have a Sephora bag in here. Oh my god. Anyway, I had something to return and I just grabbed some things that I've been wanting with the store credit that I got. So I just got 3 things. I got the Olaplex number 3. I got this just as a backup because I already have one. I've been using it like on my last day before hair wash. I just put it on all day just to hydrate my hair. Everything Olaplex was, I think, 50% off. So I got this. And then I got eye cream. This is the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. This is the box. And I'm already using the vitamin C for the full face. And I only have like one eye cream, but it's like a million years old and I just use it on and off. So I thought I'd buy something new. And my god, it's tiny. It's really small. Oh my god. Anyway, this is what it looks like. It's like a baby. And this is not a mini, but it's eye cream, so it's fine. Finally, I just got the Tower 28 Pistachio Milky Lip Jelly Gloss. And this one, oh wait, let me show you. So this has been going viral, I think. Is it? I don't know, but this is the color. It's like a milky nude pink color. And yeah, I'm excited to try it. Oh, it smells good. So that's everything I got from Sephora. And then, now this is a story. So I originally bought loafers just to look professional for work because I don't really like wearing heels all the time. Like I'll wear heels occasionally, but not really. So I wanted loafers and I got some and they're horrible. Like they scratched my feet up everywhere. They are my size, like I can slip in and out, except that, oh my god, when I'm walking, the rubbing. Oh my god, like I die. And so I gave them a few chances, and on one of the chances I was supposed to spend a day downtown, and like I got a new job, so I had to spend a day with them and I had to walk there, right? So I was like, I can't do this anymore. It was like an hour before the meeting and I was like, I can't walk anymore. I'm gonna fall. Like I'm dying. My feet can't handle it anymore. It was very Ice Princess, what she gets for skates vibes, like the new skates. So yeah, I went into Browns and bought another pair like a dumbass, And I bought a pair that was more leathery, and they told me that they could stretch them out and blah blah blah. So I had like 30 minutes to kill, so I put the new ones on the stretcher at Brown's, and then I came back 30 minutes later, and I picked up my new ones to wear and go to the meeting, and I gave them my old ones to put on the stretcher. And then I forgot about them. That was 3 weeks ago. So, and I just remembered this week that I completely forgot about my shoes. So I went and picked up my shoes today, the old ones that I gave them. And honestly, I didn't like this situation. Like, when I gave them my shoes, they were brand new. They were only worn like twice or 3 times max. They were not scratched, they were not bent and out of shape and whatever. And the way they were returned back to me, we'll see. But at least they look kind of stretched. Like, there's a dent and everything. Anyway, I'll just show you in case you didn't know what these look like. So this is the old pair. The new one is very similar, but I can actually show you. So this is the new pair, and this is the old pair, right? So this one is more classic, this is more chunky, you know? But it was like the world was making a joke out of me, because even the new ones are super uncomfortable. I can't. My feet are all scratched up, they're dying. I even got these little sticky thingies, I don't know if you can see, to put in the back of them, just to stop the rubbing. It rubbed even more. These suck. I should probably buy some like proper Scholl ones or Dr. Scholl ones, not just generic brands. And then I also got these, which are the things that stretch your shoes out. And every time I take them off, I also put them on, this thing. But man, it's just not working out. And I don't know what to do. I even have silicone, like, roundy thingies. Like, I would show you, but they're on my feet right now. Like, around my pinky, like my little toe. Cause right here, like on the side, it rubs like fucking crazy. So I have like a silicone thing. Anyway, but I'm struggling with these shoes. Like, I can't. That's my little shoe story. Now I have 2 pairs of almost identical loafers that are both uncomfortable. And they're both Brown's brands, by the way. Finally, I ordered the little thing from Simon's. It's just one thing for my shower. It's a caddy. And I ordered it to the store. I don't even know why. I think I fell for the double points thing. And they didn't even take my card. I was like, hey, do you need my card to get points? And she's like, oh no, don't worry about it. And I was like, oh, okay. Because, you know, social anxiety. Where in fact I knew that when I made the order, I never put my cards in. My points card. So I fell for the double points thing and went and got it and carried it home for nothing. I didn't even get 1 point, let alone double. But anyway, at least it was on sale. So, enough. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see at this point, because in my viewfinder it's all super busy. Like, you can see all this shit on the table. But this is it. It just, I don't know, how do you call this? Suction locks to the wall. And then I'll get to put my shampoos and shit. Yes. Am I weird? Because shit like this excites me. Like, I'm so excited to go and install it. And, like, put my little things in. Okay. I'll go install it and clean this mess up. And I'll see you when I see you. Bye. How am I gonna go and